Hello guys, good morning. Hola, bom dia. Okay. Today I have only 2 tickets. I wanted to scratch this off camera, but I remember I don't have any video for today, so I decided to record it. Okay, let's start. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay. Let's start with Joker. I already start scratching there, guys, but alright. Remember, I have no video for today. Okay, Joker. In the bonus area, we're looking for mascara or mask in English to win €10 because this is only €2 ticket, and Joker shoe to win 20, and here it's matching symbol. Okay. Gonna use Miss Money, Dog. I like to start in bonus, guys. Okay, so there's no mascara. How about shoe? No, it's a color. We're looking for cartera and mala. Mala, guys, is a bag. Mala is a bag. It doesn't look like a bag. Okay, but all I know, mala is a bag, but it doesn't look like a bag. Okay, bag. Okay, we're looking for these two symbols, cartera, wallet, and mala. Estrella, floor, apple, casa house, money bag, rainbow, and no. So, isn't winner. I only bought one, guys. Tired of spending. Okay, código certo, or in English, guys, price is right. Okay. So 28 and 34. 28 y 34. 28. 34, no. I didn't see. I don't like this ticket, guys, but for a change. 57 and 68. 57 y 68. 57. 68. Nada? What? Oh my gosh. I don't like to play this ticket, guys. I'm lazy. 68? No. 57? No. Is it possible? Of course, everything is possible in Portugal 3. 56 y 73. 73. 56. Ok. 50 y 66. 50. 66. No. 52 y 59. And 59. 62. Lord have mercy. No? At least to pretend to put there. Nothing. 83 and 16. 83 and 16. 83. 16, no. This is a winner, guys. This is a winner, the same letters, but I don't know what is this. 44. This is a winner, guys. Y 47. 47. This is a winner. Woohoo! Any win on Portugal Lottery is highly appreciated. 44 y 47. Okay, nada. But this is a winner, guys. But I just don't know how much. 1 and 9. No. Is there 32? No. Okay. Is there... 8 is 71. 71. 8. 8. 71. Is there 32? 32. No, not yet. It will come. 10 is 63. 10. 63. Okay. Last one. 46 y 42. 42 here. It's a winner here. 46. There's no 3. Okay. There's no 3. There's no 32. No. This is a winner, guys. I don't like to buy this ticket because to record on camera because it takes time. I think the viewers will fall asleep. Okay, J and my name, Jessica. I revealed the price of the price, and my phone stopped working. Oh Lord have mercy. This phone is only sometimes I win. Didn't cooperate. Okay, so I spent €5 and I got back €5. Nice. Today I don't give donation to Portugal Lottery. Today is a good day. Because 90% of the time I give donation. Today no. Woohoo. Okay, I got back all my money, guys, and I had fun scratching. This is not fun scratching, but okay, let's call it fun. I don't like long complicated ticket, guys. For me, it's so boring. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.